Her kitchen is where the magic is made.
Hello there, welcome to my channel or welcome back. I'm Holly, your friendly neighborhood carnivore, and I'm so happy you could join me today. So typically when I do these videos, I have a delicious recipe lined up for you guys, and I am just super excited to share it with you. Usually it's something a little different or kind of off the wall, but you know what? Today I am sharing my super lazy, super easy favorite way to fix ground beef. So this is my beautiful plate of ground beef. I love this in the air fryer. I like to crumble it up, throw it in the air fryer without the air fry basket, and that way the meat sits in its own juices and fat and stays really tender on the bottom, but the top gets nice and crispy. So let me show you quickly how I did this. I mean, it's stupid simple. This is gonna be so fast. And then I'm going to show you guys the texture of it and taste it, and it's gonna be amazing.
You're gonna start off by removing the air fryer basket from your air fryer and then preheat it to 390 degrees Fahrenheit. If you cannot remove your air fryer basket, then you can put a heat-resistant bowl or casserole dish inside the air fryer instead to cook your meat in that. While that's preheating, I'm going to weigh out my ground beef. I only want about 8 ounces this time because I'm just fixing a small meal for myself, but as long as you have enough space in your air fryer, you could cook up 1.5 pounds to 2 pounds at a time. Then I'm going to start breaking up this ground beef into little pieces. You could wait and do this directly into your air fryer, but since my air fryer is heating up, I'm going to go ahead and break it up into this bowl since it's still preheating and I won't be wasting time letting the air fryer cool off. Now I'm going to add the meat into the hot air fryer. You can hear them sizzling away. I'm just trying to spread them out as much as possible and trying to keep it loose. I don't want them to get tightly packed in here. Next, I'm going to sprinkle this with some seasoning. I'm using some everything bagel seasoning today. You can use whatever seasoning you choose. Then we've just got to close up the air fryer and wait. This took about 8 minutes. It could take a little more time, maybe 10 to 12 minutes. Just start checking on it around the 8-minute mark. And that's it. Here's our beautiful, crispy, sizzly meat.
Okay, so it was just that simple. You just throw it in and wait for it. Now, I put everything bagel seasoning on mine. I am absolutely obsessed with this stuff. I don't know why. I don't know why it's so good. I don't know why I find it so addicting. I use that stuff on everything. It's one of my favorite seasonings. You don't have to use that. If it's not carnivore enough for you, just skip it. Just put a little salt on there. When I did Lion Diet, I would also fix it this way and just sprinkle salt instead of the bagel seasoning. It's really good. It's also really good with Redmond's garlic pepper on there. I love that seasoning too. So here is a close-up of this texture. I love this because the top of it gets really nice and crispy while the underside of it is still nice and tender and juicy. It's not super crisp on top. So you've got both textures in one, and with the meat being so small, you get this lovely ratio of crunch to softness. Whereas if you were to stop and stir it and get it crispy all the way through, you wouldn't have a whole lot of tenderness to it. So let's grab a nice sized bite here. Oh man, I love this stuff. This is absolutely my favorite, easiest, laziest go-to way to fix ground beef. I mean, when you're busy, throw it in there while you're doing other stuff. It only took about 8 minutes to cook. It's so simple. Sometimes I will make this with a leaner ground beef, or sometimes I'll do it with a mix of ground beef and venison. Sometimes I'll cook ground lamb this way. But if I do a leaner ground beef in there, or the venison, which is much leaner, typically I will put some ghee on top. It used to be butter when I could tolerate butter, but now it's ghee. And that's also really good too. It's important that you pour all of that grease back on top that was in the bottom there. I don't have a whole lot with this, because you really want to get all the fats in there. So I tend to be a little bit of a strange person when it comes to leftovers. I very much enjoy cold meats, especially during the summertime. I think this method right here, cook it in the air fryer, get it crispy, and then put it in a container with all of the fat drippings in there and refrigerate it overnight so you can have it the next day. It is so good. All that cold fat that's solidified in there makes it more of a, I don't know, almost like a ground beef bark kind of texture, because you can break pieces off with the fat in there. It's really, really good. I highly recommend that. So I hope you guys find this to be a super easy and delicious way to fix your ground beef. Sometimes you just need something that is super time friendly and super budget friendly, and that is why I love this meal. If you're interested in seeing what I eat every day on a carnivore diet, you can come follow me over on X or on Instagram, where I'll post every single day what I'm eating over there. And I love to chit chat with you guys. So while you're over there, why don't you pop in and say hello? Leave me a comment to this video. Like I said, I love to chit chat with you guys. So while you're doing all of the subscribing and the liking and all the things to help me out, why don't you go ahead and get in the comments and say hello? Tell me, what do you like? What is your go-to ground beef recipe? What is the stupidest, easiest, simplest, but still delicious way to fix your budget-friendly ground beef and it keeps you going? Anyways, I'm so excited to see you guys again next week. And until then, bye. Go enjoy your ground beef.
She's the friendly neighborhood carnivore with a talent for cooking up a meaty uproar. From juicy steaks to sizzling ribs galore, she'll have you coming back for more. Fellas, smash that like button. She's the carnivore cooking queen. On your screen, bringing the meaty scene. Come on over and join the team for a culinary dream.